All right, kids, welcome back. Welcome back. It is Wednesday, May 22nd, and we are live with Game of Coins, Season 1, Episode 14. Hope you guys are having a beautiful Wednesday. I know I am. I just had a fun little trip down to the courthouse for a parking ticket that I got in 2017, which was a $20 ticket at the time and was now $200. So I had a lot of fun hanging out with them, paying the court. So don't let your parking tickets go unnoticed if you have one. Don't forget about them because they want their money. But it doesn't matter because that's chump change because we made that in crypto, baby. Okay? We've been on fire this last week, and it's been awesome. So no complaints on this end. So I hope you guys are doing well. Getting a few things situated here, and we will be off to the races. So yeah, Bitcoin still doing its thing, man. Still chunking along, testing this top side of the wedge. We've definitely found some support here, though, which is nice. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do, BTC, when I come for you? This is support, baby. This is your support. You're hanging on. You're trying to break out. We're chasing. So nice to see. Think we're gonna be okay here, kids. I think we're gonna be okay. Just support. Alright. So that's what this area is. This is all support, baby. At least for now. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Trying to break out. I've gotten rejected so far, so not amazing. But one thing I do like is I'm seeing that oscillators and moving averages are chasing. So even if we do fall, I do think we're probably going to see a bounce even at 76, right? We could still go down and test low side, still go down to the bottom end of the wedge, but looks like we are hanging on by our chinny chin right now. Oh man. So yeah, one thing I wanted to let everybody know is, again, Discord, man, if you ain't with it, you might want to be, because we've been murdering it. I'm just gonna go to the Honey Badger trade room. Should have held TNT, yeah, but GVT, baby, right here. Here's your call. BQX and GVT interest me yesterday at 1:06 a.m. and GVT up over 35% today at one point. So thank you very much. Thank you for that. That's my parking ticket. See you never. So, yeah. Discord. It is a free Discord on the surface level. So if you definitely want to come hang out, come hang out. Come say hi. Get the conversations going. This is where we can hang out after the stream. So this is where we hang out after the stream and talk about stuff. Another one that I just would like to share really quick. Where is she at? There she is. Trading room. ENJ and EVX still had those, and EVX saw a nice little pump today, so that was nice to see. ENJ also saw a nice pump, so what more do you even freaking want, man? DLT on Diamo called that one. That one's up, I think, 9% last time I checked. So, yeah, man. Get it while it's hot, right? And then we also have the family section, which is like our trading rooms, but also we talk about stuff. We go over strategies and ideas, and we really dive into it. So, definitely worth a look. Yeah, there was that E&J that played out, as well as, yeah, boys making money. Boys making money. I think another one in here too. Yeah, I don't know. Either way, that's all that. We're done with all that. Let's moving on. So, yeah, BTC, man, still a lot of indecision. Still not ready to make its mind up, and that's why we wait. We are showing bearish divergence on the hourly, so maybe we do come and test this low side of 76. You know, could break down below, but we'll see. We'll see. We're taking it one candle at a time, right? And yeah. So let's go to Ethereum. Let's check on our Ethereum. Well, real quick, wanted to see. Let's check the daily chart. That's an hourly, 4 hour. Okay, so that's rejection. So daily, again, before we saw that pump last time, what did I say? I said we got to hold this freaking line, man. We got to hold this line right here. And what did we do? We touched and we saw a 10 or 11% candle. Saw that one. If we can bring it, how much did this candle go for? Oh. I swear, this mouse sometimes sticks. There we go. So we saw like a 14% candle, but we won't count the wick. 12 to 14%, and that's just by knowing our trend line right here and bouncing, right? So we saw that bounce, and that was huge, right? Got a little double bottoming action right here. So we got to hold, baby. Let's hold, you know. And then the white lines were smaller time frames, which we looked at previously. So cool. That's BTC. Let's get to ETH real quick. Time is a little bit limited today just because we're running around paying bills and stupid stuff. But all freaking good, man. All positive vibes on this end. All right, ETH. What you got for me? What you got for me, ETH? All right, so we're definitely low side. We're definitely low side of this wedge here. RSI doesn't look amazing, but nothing could. I mean, it could easily run up, right? Because one could say that's the trend line, right? And you're definitely low side, right? I mean, if you break it, I mean, yes, you would probably see a slight sell-off, but again, I think we're still long-term kind of bullish on ETH. We are consolidating right now, though. So let's go to the 4 hour. Yep, see? This is what I like. This is intriguing me. A little bit of bullish divergence here. Oscillator has a chance to reset. And who knows, man? We're reaching the low side of the wedge. If we can maintain here, the yellow line's gonna, the orange line's gonna be your first. Can't hold that, we're going to yellow, right? If we can somehow hold yellow, we'll probably see a bounce, maybe back to the 50, which would be 272 roughly, and still a nice little trade. And then hopefully we can get over that 300 mark, which we've been hoping for. But we'll still play alts in the meantime. We're still, still gonna be, there's still some gainage out there, but we'll see. So these trend lines are gonna be huge game players. As you break it down to a lower time frame, you'll see again wedge is still, something's gonna give, man. Something's got to give. So you could break out, break lower, go down to 241 hopefully, and then hopefully catch yourself on this. It does appear you already kind of are going that way, but Hopefully you can bust it up, Tatiana. Okay. So yeah, we're just waiting right now. If you do break the trend line though, man, 220s could be in your future. But again, I'm still long-term bullish. I still think ETH's got more upside. Right? Cool. But you know, we could retest the 382, go down to 224. I mean, there is definitely a possibility. But this golden cross right here, this is why we're not panicking right here. See this? No need to panic, baby, because this boy is golden. It's golden. And that's sexy. And that's sexy. Okay? That's a girl that makes a lot of money and has a good ass. Right? So that's what that is. Make a quick note here. Okay. Cool. Let's go to Litecoin. Oh, whoops. We're doing these on... I forgot we're doing these on Coinbase. We're doing the big ones on Coinbase, and then the rest we're doing all on BTC. I'm sorry, on Binance. Okay. Oops. If I can get the right chart. Sorry, guys. Okay. So here's the apex. We're getting there, baby. Just like a lot of these setups, we're getting there. Right? And we'll see. We'll see what happens. If you can't hold, you're probably coming down to $86 or $77. Could be a short-term, I guess, sell-off, and then hopefully we can see higher prices. One thing that I'm liking is this. So this isn't good because you're showing, this is bearish, right? Your histogram showing bearish, as well as your signal is almost about to cross. But if you can get a bounce here, then who knows, man? Maybe we do get to see higher prices. I still like the ADX. I still like the DIs. Those look decent to me on the 1 day. You are building bullish divergence, at least from what it looks like, on the 6 hour with MACD. RSI still kind of in price discovery. Stoke, as well as a couple other oscillators, are still in price discovery. But you got this huge resistance here. So yes, you have the wedge, but you also have this moving average, and you also, you know, have the 50 chasing. I'm sorry, 200 chasing. One thing I still like is Litecoin saw its golden cross right here, and we've never seen that lower price ever again. So there we go. You know, made a run up, dipped, found support, made another run up. Easy peasy, baby. Easy peasy. But yeah. So now we're just waiting. We wicked off the 50, got the 50% retrace, which was sexy. Everybody, Charles Dow theory. If you don't know what Charles Dow theory says, it says that typically when you reverse your price action, you run up 50% of the way off a Fibonacci retracement, and that's what we did. So what do I mean by that? From your last relative swing high to swing low, we took a Fibonacci. Now granted, this took Let's see how long it's taken to play out. 377 days. But from a swing high to a swing low, you retrace 50% of the way. Well, that's where we're at right now. 50%, baby. So, yeah, nothing too crazy there. Okay. Daily RSI is, again, you got to hold this trend line, right? So we're trying, man, right here. We'll see what happens. You could still bounce up and see a huge run, but the halving's coming too. So another reason why I would be somewhat lenient towards Litecoin on the bullish side over the next, as a swing trade over the next 100, 200 days. All the way up into August almost, even further. This is where you want to get the point of value. You want to get it now, and then hopefully you can sell it at all-time highs. Or, if I told you could buy Litecoin today for 90, and if I told you could have bought Litecoin for 21 and sold it for 90, you would have said, yes, I would like to buy as many as I could. So it's finding those points of value, analyzing them, trying to get value where you see value, and then taking profit when necessary, right? So, cool. Hope you guys are having a good day today, though. It's very beautiful outside here today. It's about 70 and sunny. A little bit of wind, but pretty nice. So I hope you guys are living well. I will do this one on... no. I will do XRP to USD real quick. We're sitting at 39 cents. Did see that huge impulse. We did catch that trade, so heck yeah, baby. Then you've kind of flagged out, and now we're in price discovery again. RSI is still chilling, doing its thing. Oscillators look like they're trying to reset themselves. On the 4 hour, you're definitely coming down and testing this yellow line, and if you don't hold, then we'll see you back at 35, 36. But if you do, that would be nice. It does look like you are building a very similar to a couple other charts that we've already checked. A little bit of divergence on a 4 hour. So that's nice to see. And a cuckoo choo. So XRP Nation. One thing too is you are on the 1 hour getting to the white line, which is a huge resistance. What's up, Slim Pickens? What's good with it, Alpac? How you doing? Yo, we out here, baby. And yeah, where's your volume, dude? Where's your freaking stupid volume? You ain't got any right now. So volume's tapering off. It means a big move's coming. Hopefully you can see a reaction at that 200-day moving average, and maybe you'll see some higher prices, right? Even if you were to take the interim high, just on the hourly, if that is your swing low, I mean, so you could get back up to there. I mean, is it even worth a play? I mean, it could be a couple percent. Nothing crazy, right? That's the thing with these high cap coins, man. Typically, it takes them a while to go, right? Sometimes XRP will, but like Litecoin, and you see how it took 360 days or 70 days to get from $20 to 90 to 100. I mean, that's a lot. Whereas you can see shit coins like CELER or Phoenix or EVX or all these other crap that go for 40% in a day. And that's what I'm in love with. I like volatility. They're not necessarily the safest bets as far as like a fundamentalist or like a long-term approach, but I'm all about finding value in the market as I'm looking at it. So, just want to go back to this trade that I called in my trading room yesterday, and what happened? Oh yeah, we went to the freaking moon, baby. We went to the freaking moon. Thanks for the 25% today. So thank you very much. What happened? Let's talk about it. We'll go to the 6 hour. So what was our indication? What was our sign, right? And again, I know this is tedious, but this is how you learn, right? What are we going to do? We're going to block off a section of the chart. So we block it off. And this is how we learn. Ah, come on. All right, whatever. How you boys doing? What's up? What's up? How you living today? Slim, how you doing, brother? Life treating you good? Sorry, I'm almost done here. Alpac, you doing all right, brother? Alright, almost done. Okay. So, again, let's look. So we're just looking at this section. I mean, obviously you need to look left to see what happened, but we had a huge sell-off. And now we saw the bounce. Why did we see a bounce? I don't know. Honey Badger, tell me. Well, that looks like a higher low to me. And of a shorter term pattern, I would have said that was the wedge that you broke. Chilling, man. I'm right. Glad to see the stream. My man. I appreciate you showing up, showing out, showing love. I'm glad you're on break, chilling, doing you. So yeah, this was the wedge that I was looking at with the higher low. Here and here. So these were areas of interest that I was looking at. Doesn't mean they always play out, but in this case, they did. So that was one indication. Then we go to the histogram and your signal, and we talk about that, right? Well, you have your green ticks down, which means that's bearish. So the reason why mine's green and the red is up top is the way I like to look at it is the green part is you're hopefully building bullish divergence, right? And then the higher you run up, you're obviously getting more and more bearish, right? Because eventually you're going to have to come back down. So that's why my bottom's green and my top's red. But I look at it as we're building bullish divergence, right? So from here to here, we definitely saw some divergence. We did get also, we broke through the interim high. So if one was to look at the histogram here and say we broke it up here, this was topside resistance, this red line. We smashed through, baby. We have a couple different things to look at here. You have a signal cross here. You have a signal cross here. Okay. So there we go. I mean, there's your sign. So confluence in the market, okay? So what does that mean? Well, you got it on this oscillator. You showed it on candlestick analysis right here with the lower high. I'm sorry, the higher low. Let's go down to your RSI. One could take it from here to here, but even if we're just blocking it off this region, I mean, you could. We'll draw it out, I guess. This was your trend line, baby. This was your trend line right here. You held. You held, and what'd you do? You ran. You absolutely did. So this was your pennant or your flag, topside resistance right here. You smashed out of it. Now you're seeing higher prices. This is why I say you got to know your oscillators, kids. You got to know what they mean. Trend strength was super high here. You saw the impulse up, then you sold back off, but made a higher low. So you did see it, the trend strength fall off here when you sold off. And red was also on top of green. And then they danced for a little while. They had a little bit of a dance. Green did end up falling below, but then your trend strength did end up bouncing. And look at green, dude. Look right here. Right before your major pump, right before it broke out of the wedge, you did see it go. Okay, so, and then stochastic. Let's talk about your stochastic really quick. So here, stochastic was low, higher low, boom, upside, double topped on here, came back down, double bottomed. What happened? Oh, we double bottomed and then we shot to the freaking moon. Okay, now you pull out your handy dandy ruler, fam, and you wouldn't have bought it in here, but this is when did I call it? I want to make sure that let's go back. Where's that? Honey Badger Trading Room. Where is she at? Come on. Whoops. GVT broke up. Let's not care. Yesterday at 1:06 a.m. So that was the 21st. Like right here. I mean, you could have counted the wick for 52%, but you probably didn't sell it there. So we're just going to go where we're at right now. Right? Thank you for the 25% in one day. I thank you. On a $1,000 position, that's $250. So definitely a nice little day of work. If you didn't play that much, let's just say you played a $500 position or even a $300 position. I mean, you can see how that could add up. So, what else do you even want, baby? What else do you even freaking want from me? Like, we there, baby. We there. We making moves, not excuses. We making moves. Okay. I mean, the wedge was there. We broke it, baby. Fuel looked very similar. What happened with fuel? We took that one for 40%, right? It was there, baby. So it's just a matter of learning. It's a matter of educating yourself. It's a matter of showing up, showing out to these streams, learning. And then obviously we get deeper involved in the Discord and we go through things and, stuff like that. But that's what we're here for, man. We're here to help you because we understand that crypto's hard. And we understand a lot of people have donated a lot of money. And that's money you could be using towards your kids, your wife, yourself, anything, right? Bills. And that's what we're here for. So I appreciate you guys showing love, as always. So, yeah, that was Genesis. Let's go to EVX. We did talk about this one. And if you guys have any requests, please show them out there. I will definitely do my best to analyze them for you on stream. Because that's the best way to learn, right? In real time and to see my screen and to watch and learn. So don't ever be afraid to ask questions, okay? That's how we learn. And there's no such thing as a dumb question because we are all at different points in our journey of trading, and there's no dumb questions. We're all at just different points in our learning curve with this, right? So no worries. It's about showing up and getting better. So, all right, EVX. What? Oh my God. Wow, this thing even broke up further. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Whoo! EVX, baby. Oh, you guys got to be getting rich. You guys. Oh. Oh. That was at 88. Being very patient with E and J and EVX. I still believe there is more room and don't want to sell myself or anyone else short. Let's fucking go. Oh my gosh, baby. It was all there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That parking ticket, don't worry about it. You got kids, you're going to pay for their lunch for the rest of the school year. You got a mortgage. We're getting it paid, baby. We're getting it paid from your freaking computer. From your computer. Come on, kids. Come on. Oh, this is so exciting. I hope you guys took that. I hope you guys took that. Look at this thing. Look at that moon pistol. What a good day. What a good day. Let's go. Look at this thing. All right, let's talk it out. Let's talk it out. Let's see what happened. Man. Oh, yeah. Oh. On the freaking money, baby. On the money. All right. We talked about it. Let's learn. Because this doesn't matter if you get the call and don't understand why. All right? Here, baby. Here we go. Higher low. Higher low. What? Oh my god. What do you mean? Probably isn't that. We'll probably take this one. So a shorter term pattern. I would say that this was definitely your wedgie. So make sure, again, if you're also in this trade, make sure you move your stop up. Make sure you move your stop up so you don't have to donate it back. Make sure that you are keeping that stop trailing, right? So as we go up 32% for the day, don't settle. Don't freaking settle and make less, okay? Don't make 4% on this. Don't make 5%. Make sure you're at least making 20, okay? You can be as loose as you want with your stop, but make sure you move that baby up so you don't have to donate back, because this is, you know how hard money is to make, right? You know how many hours you have to go to work to get what you make. Don't give it back just like that, right? Anyways, so this was wedge. This was the wedge. This was our wedgie. Smashed through the 200-day. Super amounts of volume. Look at us. Look at us. Higher lows. RSI. You can see my line for the MACD there. Let's go. Let's go. Bada boom. Bada bing. God, freaking love crypto, baby. This is a hobby of mine too, right? So it's something I enjoy. I also enjoy making money. It is a job, but I do make money with it. So, or have been at least. So you can too, dude. I want to teach you. I want to educate you. Me and Andiamo are here to help. And if you keep coming on, showing up, investing in yourself, I promise you, we can get you there. Whether you want to do it as a side job, a full-time job, whatever, what have you. So right here, what happened? I'm going to zoom in. Come on. Come on. Okay. We danced with the devil right here. We were dancing with the devil. Getting tossed around, a lot of indecision. Here, I'm going to show you guys a little love, okay? A little tidbit. Right here. What's this? What's this? Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Okay? And look at us go. Look at us go, baby. Trend strength went up. Green went on top of red. We kissed right here. We kissed right here, and then we took off again. And now the trend strength climbing. And we broke the wedge. Right? So we could just go to be a moon pistol, or we could back test. It looks like there is a little bit of overhead resistance right here, and we could be even forming a lower high. And you could say that was the new wedge, right? And I couldn't argue with you. But, yeah. So, it was all there, baby. It was all there. Look at that volume convincing me. Whew. Good stuff. Good stuff. Cool. Cool. I hope you were able to feed your families today. I hope you were able to pay a bill this month. Yeah, that's awesome. That's freaking awesome. That's what it's about, man. It's about feeding the people. So, I hope you were able to pay a bill, or I don't even care how small. I hope that you were able to impact yourself or your loved ones in a positive way on that. Cool. All right. So that's what I got. I'm out of time for the most part. I will open it up to questions for a second. If anybody has any questions over my setup, oscillators, Discord, any of that stuff, I will leave it open now. I got about 5 to 10 minutes here for questions, and if there are none, I'm going to cut out of here a little early. Been live for 37 minutes now, roughly. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update, super fast. I will try to go live later, but no promises just because it is a crazy day. But I appreciate you guys showing up and showing out. I freaking love you guys. So does anybody have any questions? No, there we go. Let's see where we're going short term. Ooh, touched the wedge. Touched it. Thanks, man. I appreciate the kind words. Slim, definitely, man. We'll get you on that setup, brother. We'll get you taken care of. Al, I appreciate those kind words, man. Definitely hit that like, that sub, that subscribe, that bell for the reminder, so that way you know when I'm going to go live. You'll never miss out on any updates or markets or anything like that I go live on. So keep you in the loop. But I do appreciate you guys. So if you appreciate me, definitely show me some love. Hit that like, that sub, and also, you know, I mean, my channel's not huge or anything, and it's whatever. I mean, we'll grow organically, right? We'll grow how we're supposed to grow. But yeah, if you guys got friends that are in crypto, tune them in, man. We're here to help. We're here to help. So appreciate it, because it is a tough world out there, and it is tough to navigate through crypto, and there's a lot of scammers, and I've been scammed. So I don't want to see you or your loved ones have to go through that, because at the end of the day, your girl probably thinks you're crazy for doing crypto, and if you can buy her a pair of shoes or something nice at the end of the month, well, then she's probably going to start to believe you. She's probably going to say, go do your crypto stuff, because I got a brand new pair of red bottoms. I got a brand new necklace. I got a brand new piece of something, whatever that may be. And that's what it's about, man. It's about being able to give back and show to your loved ones and, you know, the people that have, you know, helped you out through life, right? And the fact that I can have an impact behind this computer screen, and you guys can be halfway across the world, and I can show impact on you guys, that's a thing of beauty to me, right? So definitely appreciate you guys showing up and showing out as always. Nobody has any questions, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this bad boy up. I appreciate you guys hanging out, and I will see you next time.